Welcome to Bitboy Crypto, the people's channel, the largest crypto community in all the interwebs. No channel works harder to keep you in the know. Your favorite topics with your favorite guests. Today is no exception. We're going to go ahead and get right into it. On the top right, one of my favorite people on the West Coast, we have Crypto Stash with still one of the coolest backgrounds ever. Then on the bottom left, we have coming live, no joke, live from Ukraine. Don't worry, he's not like out in the fields as a field reporter. Live, Niku, definitely check him out. We always love having him on. And then on the top left, we have Rice holding it down with the Brick Squad. Holding on for dear life. We have Ethereum at 2788, but we're holding on to that 4,000 level. I do like what we're seeing. Niku, it's getting a little scary out here. I mean, is this 4,000 looking strong? Is it looking weak? I mean, are we about to go to 33 again? I mean, what's the market's telling you?
Well, the markets have been telling me the same thing for a very long time, and I until now have not been wrong. And I'm seeing 30, and subsequently I am seeing 20. Now, that may not be on short term, but that is definitely where I am putting my money.
It's his son, but I agree. But that is all we got time for today. It looks like Niku won it. You know, he's under fire right now. They're shutting down, you know, his internet, they say. Apparently, our media is telling us that, you know, your whole internet infrastructure is, you know, being attacked and everything. So it's great seeing you, you know, high frames per second. So maybe those were all lies. I don't know. But go ahead, Nico, leave us with some parting thoughts.
I will. I hope you will invite me for next Friday, because we did have a talk about, you know, where the market is going. Finally, I want to say I am the best YouTube channel that has ever been. Now, my mama said, she said, don't go out and fancy yourself. But there's nothing wrong by stating the facts. I let you know when I buy, and I let you know when I sell. In 2021, I mastered the market better than anyone, analyst or content provider I know of. There is no one that's better than I am. I thank you for being on this show today. I really enjoyed it.
Crypto never